Today, I am super stoked to announce that we have a upgraded wheel set to offer you guys. So if you have a Sur-Ron, a Talaria, or even the new E-Ride Pro, this is a significant upgrade from your OEM wheel set. It's super strong, a 70-75 CNC center hub, upgraded spokes, upgraded spoke nipples, and a Series 7000 aluminum rim. This is really built for rugged off-road riding, jumps, all that kind of stuff, even racing. You'll also be able to customize the color of them. Today, we're gonna be mounting up this 19-inch front, 16-inch rear on this E-Ride Pro here. This is outfitted with Bridgestone Battlecross off-road tires, and we're gonna be mounting up also our oversized race spec 250 rotors to this bike. Come along with us for the install, get them mounted up, and we'll go for a ride.
Yo, players, listen up. It's time to get real. Rippin Moto's got the wheels to make you ride the king of the hill. E-Moto Wheels is straight up pimp. Gonna make you service delirium or E-Ride the baddest in the zip. 7000 series, aluminum rims, the illest bling. 36 spokes, CNC hubs, your bike will sing. Heat treatment, when it dies, colors the top. Your whip will be the freshest cream of the crop. 16 to 21 inches, they got your size on lock. Stainless steel, spokes and nipples, your bike will rock. Tension tested, optimal performance, the real MVP. With Rippin Moto Wheels, your ride will be royalty. Upgrade your game with E-Moto Wheels today. Quality and craftsmanship that'll make jaws drop and say, damn, that ride is fire. The king of the pack. Rippin Moto, E-Moto Wheels, elevate your swag. That's a fact.
So I'm super stoked. The hard part's over. We got our E-Moto wheel set installed, 19-inch up front, 16 in the rear. We got our race spec 250 rotors installed and lined up just right. Everything's looking real good. We're gonna go out and take this thing for a ride and have some fun. Oh yeah. Oh, the E-Ride Pro is so much fun.
I usually ride a 500 EXC at KTM. I'm 250 pounds. I can't believe how much power this thing has. Oh, it's so soft, holy cow. Compared to the stock tires and brakes, way, way better. It hooks up, even in this loose stuff. It was not hooking up before. It was like you roll on the throttle and those stock tires, they're great for hard terrain and stuff like that, but not for soft stuff like this.